Unit 18.
Boast. Boast is a verb. To boast is to speak proudly of oneself, to brag, or to take pride in. The team members tend to boast whenever they win. Now you say the word boast. Boast. Boast is a noun. Boast is talk that is too full of pride in oneself. My boast about my grades drove away my friends. Now you say the word boast. Eloquent. Eloquent is an adjective. Eloquent means showing the ability to use words clearly and effectively. Martin Luther King Jr. was an eloquent civil rights speaker. Now you say the word eloquent. Eloquent. Glisten. Glisten is a verb. To glisten means to shine with sparkling light. I like to see the morning dew glisten in the sunshine. Now you say the word glisten. Glisten. Ideal. Ideal is an adjective. Ideal means considered to be perfect, existing only in the imagination. Today was an ideal spring day. Now you say the word ideal. Ideal. Ideal is a noun. An ideal is a person or thing that is considered to be perfect. My ideal is a world without violence. Now you say the word ideal. Infectious. Infectious is an adjective. Infectious means caused or spread by germs, or able or tending to spread from one to another. Chickenpox is a highly infectious disease. Now you say the word infectious. Infectious. Invest. Invest is a verb. To invest is to put money into something that will earn interest or make a profit, or to make use of something for future benefit. They will invest their money in stocks and bonds. Now you say the word invest. Invest. Locate. Locate is a verb. To locate is to find the position of something or someone, or to settle into a place. I need to locate the highway on the map. Now you say the word locate. Locate. Ripple. Ripple is a noun. A ripple is a small wave. The pebble caused a ripple in the pool. Now you say the word ripple. Ripple. Ripple is a verb. To ripple is to form or cause small waves. A rowboat will ripple the surface of the lake. Now you say the word ripple. Sufficient. Sufficient is an adjective. Sufficient means as much as is needed, enough. We have a sufficient amount of time to finish our task. Now you say the word sufficient. Sufficient. Uproar. Uproar is a noun. An uproar is a state of noisy excitement or confusion. When I entered, I found the room in an uproar. Now you say the word uproar. Uproar.